Hi, my name is Patrick, and this specific interview is to regarding building profile for MBA entrance interviews. This is for working professionals. Now, let me make it very clear in the onset. For working professional, profile building is the least important thing that you should do. I mean, because you anyway have work experience, and your marks will be based on work experience, and the interviews will go in the direction of work ex. So that means profile building should be the least of the worries, because I see a lot of working people also worried, oh, what my profile, what about my profile? I don't think it is very important pointers if you have a work ex, because you can always direct your interview to your work and go about it. Just to glance as to how does profile help, understand profile will only help in your interview. And because you already have workex, it doesn't make sense to actually work on it, because you can always direct the interview to your workex. So work on your work experience and try to build on that. Few colleges calls are based on profile. I mean, experience gym, but that is all about workex, academics, etc. It is not based on what you can do short term. National participation all helps, but that you can't build on short term period, so it doesn't help so much. Most colleges, including all IIMs, don't give call based on profile. It's purely based on your academics, your CAT scores, and maybe your workex. So in that case, building profile is not important. But anyway, if you're a workex, my suggestion is that since your interview is most likely going to be on your workex, read on your workex. That's what you can do as a profiler. Read a lot on your workex, know about it, know things around you. For example, I know a student who was working on blockchain. Almost all of his interview went on blockchain, but he went about reading a lot about blockchain during his preparation, and that helped. So read about your workchain. You can direct interview to any area that you're interested in. Suppose you say, I don't want them to ask me on workex, or I want them to ask me on workex and something else. Then read about that. Okay, you can read, you can write a blog, you can work on the area of interest, anything as such. For example, if you're interested in finance, you can invest in stock market. If you're interested in music, read and write about the same. That could definitely help. So build knowledge about it. So when you ask in the interview, you can definitely answer the same in the interview. Remember, short term, only thing that will help you is CAT score to get a call. Nothing else. So focus more on your CAT score. You anyway are working, you're short of time. So in that case, the focus has to be on your CAT scores, and after maybe once you get a call, you can work on the other aspects about it. Or once you finish writing the CAT, then you can start working on it. But these are something that you can work on. Read about your areas of work. Maybe if you're interested in something like marketing finance, work on those areas, or maybe on your hobby. These are something where you can build profile on. Don't look at working on something extra where you can occupy a lot of time, because anyway you don't have time. Remember, right? I hope this is clear. Thank you.